Every morning, without sound or ceremony, the sun rises above the horizon. Its light spills across continents and oceans, setting the rhythm for life on Earth. Plants turn toward it. Atmospheres respond to it. Entire ecosystems depend on its steady presence. To human senses, the sun feels constant, a reliable backdrop to daily life, unchanged across generations. Yet this familiarity is deceptive. Beneath the calm glow of sunlight lies an environment so extreme that no spacecraft, no probe, and no human-made material could survive even a fraction of a second. The sun is not a peaceful ball of fire, but a vast, dynamic engine where matter exists in states far beyond ordinary experience. At its core, the sun is governed by a delicate balance between opposing forces. Gravity relentlessly pulls material inward, attempting to compress the star into an ever smaller volume. At the same time, energy produced deep inside pushes outward, resisting collapse. The sun exists in equilibrium, a long-lasting compromise between crushing gravity and explosive energy release. This balance has endured for more than 4.5 billion years. It is the reason the sun shines steadily instead of collapsing or exploding. And it is maintained by processes that take place entirely out of sight, hidden beneath layers of blazing plasma. Unlike Earth, the sun has no solid surface. What we see as its surface, the photosphere, is merely the outermost layer from which light can finally escape. Below it, the sun transitions smoothly into deeper regions where temperature, density, and pressure increase dramatically with depth. As one moves inward, matter becomes increasingly compressed and ionized, transforming into plasma, a state where electrons are stripped from atoms, allowing electric and magnetic forces to dominate behavior. The deeper one goes, the less the sun resembles anything familiar from everyday life. At the very center lies the sun's nuclear core, a region where conditions are so extreme that the rules of ordinary chemistry no longer apply. Temperatures reach approximately 15 million degrees Celsius, while pressures are millions of times greater than those found at Earth's center. Under these conditions, atomic nuclei move at incredible speeds, colliding with enormous force. In this environment, hydrogen nuclei are forced close enough together to overcome their natural electric repulsion. When they collide, they fuse, forming helium and releasing energy in the process. This transformation of matter into energy is nuclear fusion, the fundamental process that powers the sun and every star like it. The energy released by fusion does not appear immediately as sunlight. Instead, it begins its journey outward as high-energy radiation and subatomic motion. In the dense core, this energy is repeatedly absorbed and re-emitted by surrounding particles, a slow and chaotic process that traps energy for immense spans of time. From the core, energy moves outward into the radiative zone, where photons are scattered endlessly in random directions. A single packet of energy may take hundreds of thousands of years to traverse this region, zigzagging through dense plasma before reaching layers where movement becomes easier. Beyond the radiative zone lies the convective zone, where heat finally drives large-scale motion. Hot plasma rises toward the surface, cools, and sinks back downward, creating vast convection currents. These motions transport energy far more efficiently and are responsible for the textured, bubbling appearance of the sun's surface. By the time energy reaches the photosphere and escapes as visible light, it has undergone a transformation not only in form, but in time. The sunlight warming Earth today began its journey deep within the sun long before humans ever existed. Despite the sun's importance, its interior cannot be observed directly. No telescope can see beneath its surface. No instrument can be placed inside it. For much of history, the sun's internal structure remained a matter of speculation, guided only by theory and indirect inference. The breakthrough came when scientists realized that the sun itself provides clues, not through light alone, but through vibration. The sun resonates with sound waves that travel throughout its interior, shaped by temperature, density, and motion within. This field of study, known as helioseismology, allows scientists to map the sun's interior much as seismologists map Earth using earthquakes. By measuring tiny oscillations on the sun's surface, researchers can infer the structure and behavior of regions far below, including the depth of layers and the speed of internal rotation. These observations revealed that the sun does not rotate as a single solid body. Its equator spins faster than its poles, and this differential rotation stretches and twists magnetic fields deep inside the star. Those magnetic fields ultimately rise to the surface, producing sunspots, flares, and eruptions that can influence space near Earth. Another messenger from the sun's core arrives even more directly. Neutrinos, nearly massless particles produced during fusion reactions, stream outward unimpeded, passing straight through the sun and Earth alike. Unlike light, they do not scatter or slow, carrying real-time information from the sun's nuclear heart. Detecting neutrinos is extraordinarily difficult. Vast underground detectors are required to catch even a handful of interactions. Yet their detection provides direct confirmation that fusion is occurring exactly as predicted, validating decades of theoretical work and offering a rare glimpse into processes otherwise hidden forever. Understanding the sun's interior extends far beyond curiosity about our own star. The sun serves as a fundamental reference for understanding all stars. By learning how it generates energy, how it transports that energy, and how it evolves over time, astronomers can interpret observations of distant stars across the galaxy. Every star follows similar physical principles, differing mainly in mass and composition. The sun, by virtue of its proximity, offers an unmatched opportunity to test theories of stellar physics with precision impossible elsewhere. Mapping the sun's interior also allows scientists to look forward in time. As fusion gradually converts hydrogen into helium, the structure of the sun will change. Billions of years from now, it will swell into a red giant, transforming the inner solar system before shedding its outer layers and leaving behind a dense remnant. By understanding the sun today, we understand its future and the fate of planetary systems orbiting stars throughout the universe. The sun's hidden core also informs one of humanity's most ambitious goals: harnessing fusion as a source of energy on Earth. Every fusion experiment, every reactor design, is inspired by processes that have operated naturally inside stars for billions of years. Studying the sun is not just about astronomy. It is about learning how nature achieves stability under extremes, and how those lessons might one day shape our own civilization. Despite remarkable progress, mysteries remain. Subtle differences between observation and theory hint at unknown processes or overlooked physics. The sun, though well studied, continues to surprise scientists with unexpected behavior and long-term variations. Even the star that sustains all life on Earth is not fully understood. From Earth, the sun appears serene and unchanging. But beneath that appearance lies constant motion, plasma flowing, magnetic fields twisting, nuclei colliding in endless fusion. It is a dynamic system held in balance by forces that operate on scales both immense and invisible. Every beam of sunlight carries the legacy of that hidden core, a story written in pressure, energy, and time.